Hello everyone, this is Manoj, your German trainer. So in this session, I am going to talk about another demonstrative, which is dieser. So the declension of dieser is given like this: masculine dieser, dieser, dieses, dieser, diesen, dieser, and so on and so forth. It is the same whether dieser is used as a pronoun or as a determiner. Many other determiners and pronouns have same set of endings. There is an increasing tendency to use the form diesen in the genitive singular masculine and neuter of the determiner rather than dieses if the noun has the ending e or es. As a determiner and a pronoun, dieser refers to something near at hand, corresponding to English this. As a determiner, dieser occur in both spoken and written German, but as a pronoun, it is mainly used in writing. Example: Diese Erklärung ist unbefriedigend. Dieser Junge arbeitet aber gut. Hat den roten Wagen nicht gekauft, weil ihm dieser viel besser gefallen hat. This explanation is unsatisfactory. That boy really doesn't work well. He didn't buy the red car because he liked this one much better. Dieser is often used simply to point out an object or person in context where difference between near and distant is not crucial. In such context, it often corresponds to English that. Example: Warum hast du dieses Top gekauft? Why did you buy this top? The short pronoun form dies is commonly used for dieses. It refers to something close by or recent, and its use corresponds closely to that of English this. Dies geschieht nicht oft. Gerade dies hatte ich vergessen. These, like thus, can be used irrespective of gender or number with a plural verb where appropriate. Example: Dies sind meine Schwestern. This is meine Frau. I hope you like the session. So I'll be back with my another demonstrative, which is jener. Till then, have a great day.